Sophia, got a birthday card.
Yay!
Yay! There you go. It says Sophia.
Can you open it? Okay. Yep.
What is this?
Yep. Pull.
Okay.
Okay, pull it up. Show them.
Good job.
Look. What kind of number is it?
What's it say? Look at the front. Close it.
The other side.
What is that?
Hmm.
What is that?
Girl.
Boy.
What number is that?
3.
3. And who's that?
A person.
A princess, yeah. And what's that?
A piece
A princess rabbit. Yeah. You're gonna be 3.
Yeah.
It says 3 is the most magical age to be. We love you. Wish we could be there to sing happy birthday to you. Jonik Jack, Bob Chakani, and Vujak Ray. Oh boy. What'd you say?
Cookie.
Thank you. Like your princess? Put it next to that. Ta-da!
Your mom? That bush. Yeah, it's full.
I know.
What you doing?
They're cute.
You like those monsters?
Mm-hmm.
You wanna play with them? Hello, monster.